Hi, my name is Amy from Korean Things.
Hi, I'm Sam.
When you plan a trip to a foreign country, you will probably research about famous travel spots, food, and the next thing you have to find out about is how to get around. And if you ever visited Korea before, 10 out of 10 people could think Korean transportation system is clean, modern, and well developed. What kind of public transportation do we have, Sam?
Taxi, bus, express train, subway, airplane.
Among these options, we will focus only on buses today, and we will take you to a short trip to Gangnam area.
강남 스타일에 나온 그 강남 얘기하는 거예요?
That's right.
강남 스타일.
We will show you how you can use buses and what kind of unique features you can find at every bus stop and inside the bus.
Go.
Go! At a bus stop, there's a route map and a schedule board. Buses are differently colored, like green, blue, red, and so on. Both green and blue buses are running within city limits, but blue buses go a little further than the green ones. Red buses go out to suburban areas, and we have a village bus called 마을 버스. And it runs from subway stations and local neighborhood areas. A schedule board tells real-time information about which bus is passing which station, expected wait time, the next bus that will arrive soon, and even today's weather. These days, they don't accept cash, so the best way to pay for public transportation is T-Money card. With this, you can get a discount, and it also waives additional charges for transfers. But you should transfer within 30 minutes. When you get on the bus and get off the bus, you should scan your card on the card machine. If you don't scan the card when you get off, it could be slightly overcharged. Plus, when you have to transfer from bus to subway, it won't allow you to transfer, but charge you all over again. On the bus, you can charge your phone, watch TV, or use free internet Wi-Fi access. Also, as long as your mobile phone has NFC, you can download T-Money app and load the amount you want. And you can put your mobile phone next to the sensor, then it reads, and the money is deducted right from your T-Money card.
치는데 이렇게 이 정도는 해야 버스가 걸리는 거죠. 자기 찍는다고 생각하고 사람들이.
Some bus stops in Korea have bus shelters. And inside the shelters, we have air conditioner, heated seats, and free Wi-Fi. You can buy T-Money card inside subway stations or any convenience stores. When you buy the card, you can say 교통카드 하나 주세요. 교통카드 하나 주세요. 교통카드 하나 주세요. When you recharge the card, you can say 10,000원 충전해 주세요. 10,000원 충전해 주세요. 10,000원 충전해 주세요.